We recently had a look at Apollo's new Intensa Emozione hypercar at the launch in Italy, and we were excited by what we saw. Obviously the next step is getting a go behind the wheel, and it seems that's one step closer to happening with the company running prototypes of the E on the road. We've seen this brief 13-second spy footage from Hong Kong, which shows the E lighting up its tires around the tightly packed streets of the Chinese-run territory. It seems the Intensa Emozione is in town for its Asia reveal, and the newest video makes this the first time that the exciting car has been seen on the road. It comes complete with slightly dodgy-looking stuck-on number plate and everything. For those F1 fans lamenting the lack of noise from the current generation of motors to be found in the top tier of racing cars, the howl from the V12 in the Apollo is something to behold. No doubt many on the streets of Hong Kong were poking their heads out to see what was shaking their windows. To recap on the newest hypercar from Italy, the E produces 780 horsepower and 560 pound-feet, 759 Newton-meters, and will get itself to 62 miles per hour, 100 kph, from rest in just 2.7 seconds and up to 207 miles per hour, 333 kph. Thanks to extensive use of carbon fiber in the body and chassis, the E weighs in at just 1,250 kilograms, 2,756 pounds, with a 45 hours 55 minutes front-rear weight distribution. Only 10 Apollo E's will ever be built, each costing at least £2 million, $2.6 million. But buying one does grant you access to some cool stuff. Owners are able to compete in a track-based Apollo Time Attack series, assist in the development of the E itself, and get first dibs on upcoming Apollo products, like the next project to come from the Italian sports car manufacturer, the Yara, in 2019. In the meantime, enjoy the brief but glorious footage of the E on the move in Hong Kong.